How to make content with one click. Click the PromptFlow Pro icon and watch your AI workspace slide open. Pick from 19 plus ready-made workflows. Replace the placeholders with your own details. Save your favorite workflows and reuse them whenever inspiration strikes. Hit Run Chain and let PromptFlow Pro do the work, generating every step automatically. And here it is. All your responses saved automatically in a .txt file, ready anytime. Start your free trial with 10 runs included, then activate your license to unlock everything. PromptFlow Pro. Make content with one click. Try it free on the Chrome Web Store today.